Welcome back to the Anno Phillips channel. On this video we're going to change the headlight in this 2007 Ford E350. This type of headlight will also work in the 150 and 250 series. With this repair we're going with a Peak 9007 series headlight. And let's get started. I've got the hood popped already from inside the cab. Hood up. Ford was actually pretty clever when they designed this. Let's bring it in closer here. It's kind of dark out. Hopefully I can get some footage here, but right at the top of the headlamp housing itself there's this little metal clip. You can pull that straight up like so, and then it allows this assembly to come out. Well, it's supposed to. There we go. I was struggling with it a little bit, but basically on the bottom you got a plastic button that sits in that lower right portion of the headlamp, and then your adjustment rod right here sits in the lower left side. So now you got that out, you just unscrew this. It's like a quarter turn. Pull out our old headlamp. Oops. That. And you grab the new one. Don't touch the glass. It'll prematurely burn out the bulb. Make sure you put this clip back on, or you won't be able to fix it to your lamp housing. So when you do this, you want to make sure you drop this clip on the ground twice. That's how you know you're installing it right. Just kidding. Try not to do that. It usually ends up rolling under the car. There we go. Clip that on. There we go. Pop the lower, line up your lower left one first, your adjustment screw, and then we're just gonna slam that one in, and then the top should drop right in. Push your clip back down, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you'd like to follow along for more repair or videos, feel free to like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.